Hey guys, I want to show you what my Mavic Pro's doing, and if anybody has any ideas about how to fix it, or if it might be some simple thing that I'm not seeing, I just let me know in the comments or whatever. I already have a ticket on it, so I can just pack it up and send it in, but I want to see if anybody knows if it's some little simple stupid thing. So here you go, you turn it on. And then it's just going to do all this flopping and flipping around like that. And basically that's all it does. There's no response from the transmitter for it. You can't sit there and turn the dial. Nothing will happen. You know, it won't do anything. It'll just go and flip out again. See? So it'll just keep doing that. And you can't go into the app and go into the software calibration, you know, the gimbal calibration, because it just goes to 5% and stops forever. You know, it won't do anything. So if anybody's seen that, let me know then. Thanks.